In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Gmail calendar with someone else. Sharing your calendar can be a great way to keep everyone in sync, whether you're organizing a project meeting or planning a social event. Let's dive right into the process and make it as easy as possible. First, let's open your preferred web browser. Head to your Google Calendar by entering calendar.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself in your calendar view, which will appear in daily, weekly, or monthly format depending on your last settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. Do you see the gear icon there? Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu, where you can manage all of your calendar configurations. When the menu drops down, click on Settings to proceed. Once you're on the Settings page, focus on the left side of the interface where a list of your calendars can be found. Toward the bottom of this list, decide on the specific calendar you wish to share. Click on the calendar's name to open the settings for further customization. As you scroll through these calendar settings, look for the section titled Shared with Specific People. This area is essential, as it's where you specify the individuals with whom you'd like to share your calendar information. Keep an eye out for the Add People and Groups button. Give it a click to get started with adding collaborators. A box will pop up asking for an email address. Here, you need to enter the email address of the person or group you want to share the calendar with. After inputting the address, you'll have the option to set permissions tailored to the level of access you wish to grant them. Next, focus on the Permissions drop-down menu adjacent to where you just entered the email address. Clicking on it reveals various levels of access. You can choose from options like See Only Free Busy, hide details for the most minimal access, see all event details for more visibility, or even make changes to events if you want them to have full editing capabilities. If you are working collaboratively, the most comprehensive level, Make Changes and Manage Sharing, grants full access to the calendar's management. As soon as you've decided on the permissions level, don't forget to click Send. This action triggers an invitation to the email address you specified, allowing the recipient to see or manage your calendar based on the access permissions you've set. And that's it. Following these steps, you can seamlessly share your Google Calendar with others, helping you to stay organized and connected. Remember, whether it's ensuring that everyone is set for a meeting or planning events smoothly, sharing a calendar is a fantastic way to streamline your schedule.